Hey there, welcome to another episode of Life Skills with Elroy. Sorry, I have the hiccups. You know, the issue with the hiccups is that, well, they always come at the absolutely worst time. Sorry. You know, there are a couple things that I do in order to stop the hiccups. Sorry. Man, I just can't stop hiccuping. Excuse me. Always remember that when you hiccup, you should say, excuse me, because it's impolite to hiccup, even if you don't mean to. Man. Now, there are a couple different things you can do in order to get rid of the hiccups. Now, one of the oldest ones is you can look at your finger, stare at it very hard, That's the first method, and as you can tell, it didn't work. I don't really understand how that's supposed to work. I mean, all you're doing is staring at your finger. I guess the idea is that you're focusing on your finger and not on the hiccups. Excuse me. Okay, well, the second method is you can do a little dance. Sometimes it's good if you sing a song. I'm Elroy, and I don't want the hiccups. Don't want the hiccups. Excuse me. Don't want the hiccups, so I hope they will go away. I don't think that worked either. Now, the third way to get rid of the hiccups is the much more common method. This method is to drink some water. Now, the key here is to take very long gulps. You're not necessarily holding your breath, but you're gonna take a long gulp. Okay? Are you ready? I don't think I have the hiccups anymore. I'm so happy. Now I can go about my day and not be going all day. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Life Skills with Elroy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.